Here's an easy way, guys, that you can get paid by Google, right, without selling anything. And this is a great passive income stream, guys, that you guys need to tap into in 2024 and beyond, okay? Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm bringing you back another passive income video. So in today's video, we're going to be talking all about how you can create passive income on Google, okay? So you're literally going to get paid by Google for literally selling absolutely nothing. So if you guys are interested in making money with Google without selling anything and without actually getting people to take out your credit card to purchase from you, then this is a great strategy to get started with. So if you guys are interested, grab yourself a cup of tea, coffee, water, wine, whatever suits you. Grab your pen and notepad and let's dive right into today's video. So in today's video, the strategy I'm going to be talking about is none other than the Google AdSense program. So you guys know about the YouTube AdSense program where YouTube actually pays you per view, okay, for people that actually come to your videos and watch the ads on your video. So Google owns YouTube. So the YouTube AdSense program is actually run through the Google program. Now, a lot of people don't know that you can actually make money from the Google AdSense program outside of YouTube. So it's not just via your YouTube videos, although it's actually faster to make money using YouTube videos, but there's another powerful way that you guys can make money with the Google AdSense program, and this is through blogging. Okay, so for this strategy to work, you need to have a blog. You cannot skip the steps, guys. And here's the benefits of having a blog, guys. This is not just one of those things where you're just going to be using the blog to make a bit of side income or whatever the case may be. Your blog is your online digital asset. Guys, have you heard about the big brands that are being sold every single day for billions of dollars? I'm talking about platforms that are literally just blogs being sold for billions and billions of dollars. So by having a blog, guys, what you're building is your online digital asset. This is a long-term asset that is going to continue to appreciate. Think about your online blog as a piece of land, for example, right? Land appreciates, it doesn't depreciate, right? So the value continues to go up and up and up, and the older your blog or your website, the better the valuation of your business as well. So if you wanted to go ahead and, try something new in the future, you can easily sell your website, guys, for tens of thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands, millions. Like, big blogs are being sold out there for billions of dollars every single day, guys, believe it or not. So anyway, let's talk about how you can make money with the Google AdSense program without necessarily selling any products or services. So the first thing you need, of course, is you will need your online presence. So think about your YouTube videos, guys. For those of you guys who are already on YouTube, or maybe watching videos on YouTube. When you're watching videos on YouTube, sometimes you're interrupted with an ad. Now that's obviously a Google ad that is popping up, and every time somebody watches that video, the creator gets paid some money for those views, right? Those people watching those ads, because this platforms, YouTube is basically borrowing your platform, right, to display ads. And then what they do is they split whatever the business paid them with you as the content creator. They're basically saying, hey, thanks for using your videos to promote this business. Here's a little cut for you, right, for displaying those ads on your videos. Now with a blog, you can do the exact same thing, guys. It's the exact same strategy. You can actually have adverts on your blog. I'm sure you guys have visited websites that actually have a ton of different ads, within the content, or, on the sidebar, or, maybe just popping up on the website. And these content creators are actually making money by just getting you to visit their blog, read their blog posts, and things of that nature. This is one of the best ways to make money blogging without actually getting somebody to buy a product from your website or getting someone to, purchase your services, right? So here's what you want to do. You want to first of all get your blog set up, guys. And if you guys are sitting there thinking, oh, how do I set up a blog? Listen, you can actually purchase one of our done for you websites. All these websites come with blog posts, okay, that you can use to start generating some AdSense income. So if you guys are looking to get started with your blog the fastest way possible, check out funnelfire.com. I'm going to leave a link below this video for you guys to check it out. We can actually set up your online website, which comes with your blog in less than 7 days and in a niche of your choice. Okay, now once you have your blog ready to go, the next thing you want to do is you want to start creating valuable content. Content is the name of the game. The beauty about blogging, guys, is the fact that you're able to stand out from everybody else on Instagram who's trying to create, 5-second reels and 7-second reels, looking like everybody else. Listen, I've got nothing against social media, but, it's very difficult to stand out on social media. When you have a blog, now you're building yourself as an authority. You're able to stand out from everybody else, and you're able to attract an audience outside of social media, an audience of people who are actually going on to Google and searching for the information that your blog has answers to, right? So this means you're able to attract free traffic to your blog, right? right? Not only is it now a marketing tool, but now you're able to monetize that traffic. So if you're getting visitors to your website but you're not making any money, guys, this is a great way to make money from your business. Have a blog. Create a blog. Within your blog, you can create valuable content. You can have things like Google Ads within your blog, right? And then when people come to your blog and are going through your content, if they watch an ad or they click on an ad, Google is going to pay you some money in exchange. It's honestly that simple. All you're doing is creating valuable content, using that to get people to actually check out your blog, right? You're using that to attract traffic to your blog. Not only that, Google now is able to pay you some money for simply bringing people to your platform. Okay, and if you guys are interested to learn more in depth how the strategy works, again, at Funnelpire, we actually teach you how to make money blogging. Not only do you get your websites designed for you, but we also teach you how to monetize your blog. Okay, how to make multiple streams of income outside of just Google AdSense alone. Okay, and then once you've done that, guys, you can go ahead and apply for the Google AdSense program. It's free to join, and then let them know what your website is. They're going to run some checks, and this is why it's so important to have a website. You cannot do this without a website. It's one of the requirements. Google is going to do some checks. They're going to check out your website and see if it's a website that, you know, meets the criteria of the Google AdSense program. And if it does, happy days, your account is going to get approved, and then you're going to be able to start displaying some ads within your platform. Okay, the strategy allows you to make money without people actually taking out their credit cards to buy your products or services. This is pretty much like free money, guys. Okay, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to drop the links to your new blogs below this video so I can see that you've been taking notes and following instructions. And I look forward to connecting with you guys in my next video. Bye.